Alright, hello, this is Benjamin from goldgamestudios, and this time I'm gonna teach you how to make a for loop and how it works and its syntax. Alright, so first what we want to do is type for, open parentheses, and then we want to declare or initialize a variable here. And now, let's say we had a int number that's equal to 3. And so, while I is less than 3, I increments by 1. So these two plus operators is the same as +1. Alright, so the for loop is very similar to the while loop, just that the for loop has a certain amount of times that it loops through until it stops, but a while loop has an uncertain amount of times to loop. So this is great for things like rows and columns and how many times you want to do something. It is used for a lot of things, and you will realize that when you get better in programming. So I thought I could show you how to make a triangle with a couple of for loops. Now, first we want to declare a constant character here and name it my char, and it should be an ascii. So while I is less than, actually I can just write number here sorry about that. While I is less than number plus I, or increment I. So then we see out and all. And now this doesn't do anything much more than making a whole lot of spaces or lines, white lines. So we want to nest another for loop inside of the for loop. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this, but basically it is doing a for loop inside of another for loop. So let's go ahead and make our initializer here, or also known as the counter. J is less than I. J plus plus. So here we wanna put the constant char we just declared, and a closing brace there. Alright, so let's say that we want the user to input how many times it's gonna loop through. So that would be int number, and we'll give the user some instructions here. Enter a number, just as simple as that. And then sin number. So let's go and run this. Enter number 5, and you see the first space, second space, and there the ascii shows up. Another space, 2 ascii's, 3, 4. So you get the idea of it. So you can see it gets bigger from the number we input here. So let's enter 10. wow, a much bigger triangle here. So yeah, that's essentially what a for loop is. A certain amount of times to loop through something. I hope this was helpful as well. And keep programming. Have fun with this. Experiment with it. And stay tuned for the next tutorials. Alright, see ya.